Welcome to my next HTML tutorials. Today I will be talking about HTML Uniform Resource Locator. HTML is Uniform Resource Locator (URL). A URL is another word for a web address. A URL can be composed of words, example.com, or an internet protocol IP address as 192.68.20.50. Most people enter the name when suffering, because names are easier to remember than numbers. URL. Web browsers request pages from web servers by using a URL. A uniform resource locator is used to address a document or other data on the web. A web address like www.https://example.com/html/default.html follow these syntax rules. That is scheme /prefix .domain :port/path/file. Let me make an explanation here. Scheme defines the type of internet services. Most common is HTTP or HTTPS. Prefix defines a domain prefix as default for HTTP. HTTP is www. Domain defines the internet domain name, like example.com. Port defines the port number at the host. Default for HTTP is 80. Path defines a path at the server, if omitted, the root directory of the site. File name defines the name of a document or resource. Common URL scheme. The table below lists some common schemes. We have scheme short for and used for HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol, common web pages not encrypted. HTTPS, Secure Hypertext Transfer Protocol, secure web pages encrypted. FTP, File Transfer Protocol, downloading or uploading file. File, a file on your computer. URL encoding. URL can only be sent over the internet using the ASCII character set. If a URL contains characters outside the ASCII set, the URL has to be converted. URL encoding converts non-ASCII characters into a format that can be transmitted over the internet. URL encoding replaces non-ASCII characters with a percentage followed by hexadecimal digits. URL cannot contain spaces. URL encoding normally replaces a white space with a plus sign. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.